Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing our cash envelope stuffing for our first paycheck of December 2022. It's been a while, but I need to get some cash into my everyday cash spending wallet, and it looks like it's a little bit tight on my desk because unless I haven't done a video in a while, I don't know how to rearrange everything, but that's what we are actually going to be doing today. And let's go ahead and count our cash. So the cash that we're going to be stuffing is $302. So how have you guys been? Okay, so we got, let me count this first. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, and I have a lot of twos. 75, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So I had 75, right? So that's 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300, 1, 2. All right, so we got 302. Almost lost count. But yeah, so how have you guys been? I'm going to tell you guys, I have been kind of like not making videos. I did a couple of TikTok reels because, y'all, I had to really kick it in gear for Black Friday. So orders are still going out, and I did have like a longer processing time for that because I knew I was going to get super busy. And then I have been working on some other stuff that you guys have been asking me for the longest time. Something. Y'all guess. Put in the comments what you think it is that I am working on. So hopefully I'll have it by before the new year. So we'll just have to check and see how that comes out, how everything rolls out. All right, so like I said, hopefully everybody is doing pretty good. And let's go ahead and hop in with this cash stuffing. All right, so we have Boba, and as you guys know, we're gonna do $15. I found Boba at Sam's Club. It's $10, $15 we're going to be adding. And it is so good. I probably shouldn't be drinking all that milk, but it is what it is. And yeah, so that saves me, like, because you get like 12 packs in there. So that saves me so much money. So I just put enough money in here to actually go ahead and get a big box of it. I'm thinking about having a box at work and then having a box at home because I do go to the store and I do buy a half a gallon of milk and I leave that in the refrigerator at work. Yes, I do. And I get ice cubes out my refrigerator and put it like in a Ziploc bag, and I put it in the freezer at work. So that works out. Okay, so crisp, we're going to do $20. So we're going to do one $20 bill. For you guys that ask me what crisp is, it's a salad place. It's a bomb.com salad place. That's what that is. Because I get that question all the time. It's so funny. They're like, what is crisp? Is that potato chips? And I'm like, no. All right, so for eat out, we're going to do $30. So we're going to do $120 and $110. So we got $20, $30. All right. So we got $30. And another thing, I have another thing that I'm kind of working on. I'm not sure. I got questions about, I know I'm jumping subject because I haven't talked to you guys in a long time, okay? I've been just sitting in my craft office just working, okay? I need to figure out envelopes for the bigger wallets. I know I'm jumping all over the place, so I do have these, but I think I'm going to offer the big pockets for these in maybe, I can't even button this up, I'm tripping, all right? Instead of doing these. So I don't know, y'all let me know in the comments about those two. And then I have some other different colors that I will be, so that's also something I've been working on also. And then I'm gonna actually have a big giveaway because y'all, I didn't hit 17 subscribers and that has pretty much slipped past me. And then on my TikTok, I've hit like 100K or something. I don't know, I've just been like so busy, and I haven't been like really like looking at that stuff. So I want to do a giveaway for you guys because thank you guys for being so much supportive and always like being patient with me and always like posting, commenting, and sharing things. So I just want to give back. So I'm going to do a big giveaway. So hopefully I'll have that before the new year. come out. All right, so beauty, we are going to do $25. So we're going to do 120 and 5 ones. Told you guys, I got so much to say. Like, what is she just rambling about? So 20 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 25. So we got $25. Yeah, I hadn't been pretty much MIA on YouTube and a lot of my Instagrams and my TikToks. All right, so for Dollar Tree, we're going to do $5. So we're going to actually do a $5 bill. And I haven't been, last time I went to the Dollar Tree, I used all my money. So I haven't been, so I need to go see what they have. Dollar Tree is more of like a treat for me, so I can just go get some fun stuff. And I don't have anything in my wallet because I've already unstuffed it. I did unstuff that, was able to manage to do that on my TikTok and my IG, so that's why there's nothing in there. I think it's like one $20 bill. It's an old $20 bill. Someone had messaged me and asked me did I still have it, so I think it's still in here. Yeah, it's still in here. So if you ask me, it is still in here. Okay, so we have Aiden. So next we have giving. We're going to do $10. So we're going to do, let's do 2 $5 bills. So that'll make us have $10. And as y'all know, I gotta go grocery shop later, but for household items, we are actually pretty good, y'all. If you have like a Costco, a BJ's, or a Sam's, I would recommend to go to those places to get the paper towels and the toilet tissue. Even though it's not name brand, we're gonna do $13. I would still consider going there because, y'all, it saves so much money. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, because it seems like it lasts longer. And they actually do pretty good. So they're not actually, it's not like super thin paper towels or toilet tissue. All right, so next we have personal. We're gonna do 30. So we got 20 and 10, y'all. And I have got to go get my nails done. I am like the worst with going to go get it done because I feel like sometimes I'm like, I need to get this done, get my work done. I'll pick a day. And plus, because of my schedule at work, it's a little hard to like just get off because I know it takes a little bit longer to get my nails done. And remember also, y'all, for my beauty, I said I was taking that out of my business money because that is a freaking tax write-off. So that's coming out of that. But beauty is more of like for hair stuff, face products, and all that stuff like that too. All right, so next we have groceries. So groceries, we're going to be doing $100. Thank goodness, because we need to get some more groceries. So we have 20, 40. Let's do 3 10s. Let's do 6 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, because I have to really time like getting my nails done. So we got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And also when you have a toddler, you got to stay ready for anything. So that's why I have to also kind of time it around his when I'm off, and then because I can't get in there and be like, oh, I gotta leave, and they didn't file my nails down and they're not even painted yet. So you have to really schedule time to go and stay. All right, so budget, we're gonna do 0. We're not putting anything in budget. I don't need anything else. So I still have this $20 bill. Gas has actually been good to me because I haven't been taking my butt anywhere. I've just been here working on stuff. And like I said, for the post office, at work when I go, mailman comes pick up the packages, so that's awesome. So we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. All right, so we got all together, we got 50. Let's see, we got 54. Yeah, I didn't count that. So yeah, I think it's just pretty much hard for me to give up this 20, so that's why I'm kind of like working around it. So yeah, because like I said, I remember someone messaged me on my IG, and yeah, messages have been crazy full. All right, so that is all of this cash envelope stuffing. Like I said, cash envelope stuffing does not have to be super hard. You just figure out what you need. Each week is not always going to be the same. It's going to be different, or you can have it if you're, you know, the things you do or the things you need are always the same. Then yeah, keep using the same thing, but I know mine's change and switches all the time. So thank you guys so much for chilling with me. If you have not already, follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. It's called A Pink Cloth Life. And then, like I said, I have a lot of surprises coming, some new things, and like I said, I do have something that you guys have been asking me here, was I ever going to do. Also on my TikTok and my Instagram, you guys have been asking me, Tina, when are you going to I'm not gonna finish. Okay. But yeah, so that is in the works. Thank you guys so much for chilling with me, and until next time, guys, peace.